Welcome back to Riddle Rush Brain Teaser. Challenge your mind. Are you ready to put your general knowledge to the test? Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Which country is known for its fjords? A. Australia. B. Norway. C. France. Norway, you're a genius. When did the original Game Boy come out? A. 1979. B. 1999. C. 1989. The Nintendo Game Boy was released in 1989. Which country invented the game of chess? A. China. B. India. C. Japan. It was India in the 6th century. What is the name of the famous clock tower in London? A. Tower of Pisa. B. Empire State Building. C. Big Ben. It is Big Ben. Who was the first female astronaut in space? A. Valentina Tereshkova. B. Judith Rusnik. C. Sally Ride. You got it, Valentina Tereshkova. In which sport would you use a shuttlecock? A. Tennis. B. Squash. C. Badminton. And yes, it's badminton. How many pins must be knocked down to score a strike in bowling? A. 9. B. 10. C. 11. It is 10. Very good. Which of these superheroes was created first? A. Spider-Man. B. Superman. C. Iron Man. It's Superman. He was created in 1933. What is the study of fungi called? A. Botany. B. Mycology. C. Fungology. It's mycology. Which event always starts a triathlon? A. Swimming. B. Cycling. C. Running. It's swimming followed by cycling then running. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.